In this video, I'll show you how to delete your Roblox account step by step. If you find this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Sometimes you may need to delete your Roblox account if you're concerned about privacy or security, or if you're no longer interested in playing. Additionally, account deletion can help resolve issues like harassment or unwanted content. To begin the process of deactivating your Roblox account on your PC, start by opening the Roblox homepage. Once the page has loaded, locate the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select the Settings option. This will take you to your account settings page. On the left-hand side of this page, you'll find a menu with various options. Click on Privacy and Content Maturity. In the new window that appears, scroll down to the very bottom and look for an option called Account Deactivation and Deletion. This is the section you need to access to proceed with deactivating your account. Once you click on it, a red button labeled Deactivate will appear. Clicking this button will trigger a confirmation dialog box asking if you are sure about deactivating your Roblox account. If you are certain, click the Deactivate button again to confirm your decision. After doing this, you will be logged out of your Roblox account. Keep in mind that if you wish to reactivate your account later, you can do so at any time simply by logging back in. However, if you want to permanently deactivate your account, the process requires further steps. To do this, cancel this deactivation process and navigate to the Roblox support page on your browser. On this page, provide your contact details, account credentials, and a brief explanation of why you want to permanently deactivate your account. Once you have filled out the form, submit it by clicking Continue. After that, just wait for their response. Hopefully, if everything is in order and your issue is justified, they will permanently deactivate your account. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.